Let's start with our pork belly. I just diced these in small pieces. We're gonna let these cook until they turn brown and crispy. Then we're gonna set these aside for later. You know, I shot this video 3 years ago and never got the chance to edit it. By the way, the English translation of ginisa is to saute. We're sauteing fermented shrimp paste to make a yummy condiment. Alright, let's remove some of these bacon grease. We really only need a couple of tablespoons. Then we're gonna start with our garlic. Let's wait a little until it's fragrant. Then the onion. Then the tomatoes. Give it a mix. When our onion is translucent, add the hot chili peppers, or siling labuyo in Tagalog. I chopped, I believe, around 10 to 15 pieces here. I like this very spicy. Then let's add our crispy pork belly. Then we're adding a whole bottle of uncooked fermented shrimp paste. You can tell it's uncooked when the color is still pink like this. Add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Half a cup of coconut vinegar, and don't mix it for a couple of minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar. One teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it a mix. Make sure to lower your heat to low. We will leave it to cook for about 10-15 minutes or until the color changes to a darker red and the liquid has dissolved and turned into just oil. Alright, this is what we're looking for. Some add more oil and wait until it becomes brown in color, but for me this is just perfect. This is done. You can use this as a dip for green mangoes or singkamas, or serve this with your kare-kare. I would usually put this back in the bottle and leave it in the fridge for a couple of weeks before enjoying it. I even waited a month once and it tasted even better. But you really don't need to wait that long. You can enjoy this now if you'd like. Alright, see you next time.